welcome back to a vlog slash haul. So I went to Tesla Life, Dollar Tree, Target, and Home Goods. So I'm gonna start off with Tesla Life, some stuff, and I wanted to share. So I got these here turtle chips. I got the truffle. Also got the churros, the chocolate churros. And her friend got these here noodles. They also got some ramen noodles. This is some kind of candy. It says rich milk flavor. I don't know, this is some kind of candy. I don't know, I can't read the name. They also got this here. I guess this here is bourbon gummies. Y'all, I love these here ramen snacks. This here is the garlic flavor. And then I got this here coffee bread. And it's so soft, y'all. I can't wait to have this tomorrow with my coffee. Crackers I had before, but I never had the vanilla. Because, you know, anytime I buy Ritz crackers, they always cheese or peanut butter. So this is new to me. Oreo, I got the strawberry. Again, I always had bought the original Oreo, so this is something new for me to try. My daughter got another ramen bowl. And then I got another ramen snack. This one here is chicken flavor. I remember getting these back when we went to HEB. I think that's what it's called. And then I got these here. They kind of remind you of Nutella, but they're cheaper. They were $1.99. And then I also got this here Hello Kitty one. This is the strawberry one. Also got some rice cakes, but they in the freezer. I don't know where they at. So everything that I just mentioned was $46.05. So I was looking at the tax. It's only 2% tax, which is a good thing. I don't know if it's because it's food, but 90 cents I can deal with. So it came to, so before tax it was $45.15. So with the 90 cents, it brought it to $46.05. So the items I bought do it. It says, I don't know, store 11. I don't know if that means, I don't know. It doesn't have a total of how many items I purchased, but yeah, I mean, it's kind of like, you know, we just wanted to try some new stuff. I mean, $1.99. This was $1.99. I think this was $2 and something. I forgot the price of this. These were 2 for $8. So some of the stuff was like a little pricey, but try something different. So we got that. And then we also went to Dollar Tree, y'all. I hit the jackpot today at Dollar Tree. Looking for the summer version of the hand sanitizers that went viral, which are the passion fruit and the ocean breeze. So I ended up finding both. And y'all, they repackaged the packaging for the hand sanitizer. So this one here has collagen in it. And y'all, it has like the glitter at the top. And then I also found the case to go along with it. Like, you know, when I tell you I was so happy to find this today. So instead of me buying like cases for each one, I just figure when I'm done, I'll just switch the cases out. And y'all, I was so happy because I wasn't looking for this. Yeah, I kind of was. I ain't gonna lie. Since I've been on vacation, I haven't been at that Dollar Tree because every morning on my way to work, if I'm able to, I will stop at Dollar Tree. So I haven't been at my nearest Dollar Tree in over a week. So y'all, so here's the sanitizer, hand sanitizer in this case. Like, look how cute. The blue, and I did get the blue one to match. And then every time I go to Dollar Tree, I always buy this here tablet for the toilet because I like blue water, so I got one of them. So Dollar Tree has books, y'all. Really good books. Now, this here, it says, what is it? A Second Chance at First Love. It says, what if you found out your ex was your perfect match? I just got it because I felt like it might be a good read. It was only $1.25, you all. And this book retails for $16. So I'm like, I always go in a book section because I like to grab books and just read. I'm a read and don't read, but I need to like push myself to read. So yeah. I found this hair body and hair mist. I bought this because I like to, I don't know, I wear wigs a lot, so I like to freshen my wigs. I like my hair, my body, and everything to smell good. So I was like, oh, I gotta try this because everyone on TikTok was raving about these, and I finally found them. Finally found this one. It says the notes are pistachio and salted caramel. So yeah. I also found this at Dollar Tree. I usually buy these tattoo stamps because I like to wear them to work. This one here is like a little flower, and I usually like put them here on the side. I get from Dollar Tree. We got these here gummy bananas. These are really good. My daughter said she didn't like them, but I know I'ma like them. And we got from Dollar Tree. So now as far as Target, I just got some toilet bowl cleaner. I got the Mrs. Meyer's Clementine scent. I got the surface spray, and I also wanted to get the dish soap. I thought was so cute. It's like a BFF keychain. So I got this to put on your phone. I got this here beef stick. I got these. They were giving these out for free. So I was like, oh, I'm so happy because I've been wanting to try these for so long, but they are really, really pricey, y'all. One thing I'll say, anything good for you is pricey. Like you can get a cheeseburger for but $2. If you want like a grilled chicken sandwich, you paying $6, $7, $8. Like I just never understand why things is like that. Like they kind of set you up for failure, you know, because of course, who can afford to buy, you know, the things that you're supposed to buy? I mean, of course you're going to make a way, but some people can't make a way, you know, and I say that to say, these here are expensive, okay? Try them. So if I like them, then I'll go ahead and invest. Because like, for instance, you can go to Dollar Tree and buy these here packets for your water for $1.25. Well, not this particular one, but you know what I mean. These here are the liquid IV, and I done heard so many good things about them, but like I said, they are pricey. So now I get to try it before I buy. And what's flavor do I have? I have the mango and pineapple. I always get popcorn at my Target. And then I got this here little jar for my kitty cat. I was going to say for my daughter. Well, she is a girl cat. But for my kitty, her little treats. Because I had them in like a little bag, a Sephora bag. And then, y'all, I got this here from Sprouts, y'all. I don't shop at Sprouts like that. When I do go to Sprouts, it's just summer too. So I went into Sprouts because I wanted to look for this here date syrup. And I use this with my coffee. I use this with my chai tea. There's no sugar added, and it's 100% dates, and it's gluten free. It says a serving size is 1 tablespoon. So I usually use this in the morning when I brew my coffee. I'll pour like a tablespoon of this inside and then brew my coffee on top, and you know, stir it up once it's done, and then pour it over my ice or pour it in my cup. But so far, so good, you all. This is really good, and it's really good inside of my chai tea. Everything, you all, that we got while we were out. If you've been a Tesla Life, let me know. Let me know down below y'all favorite things y'all like to buy. Like, give me recommendations because I do plan to go again sometime soon. Not anytime soon, but I do plan to go before the end of the summer to like probably re-up or stock up on some things because you can get a lot of the blind boxes there. So like I said, I do plan to go again to see, you know, if they restocked anything, because I was looking for the crybabies and something else, and they didn't have anything, you all. Like, they were wiped out boxes, but it wasn't the stuff that I wanted. So yeah, y'all, that's everything that I got while I was out. Probably eat some of this popcorn, find a good movie to watch. And yeah, and it's so crazy because I already filmed this video, y'all, and I accidentally deleted everything off of this here SIM card. And I'm so mad at myself because I hope it wasn't nothing worth me keeping. I'm to show you my farmer's market bag. I did go to the farmer's market today, you all, and I bought my cute little bag. It got little feet at the bottom for like bottles, your fruit, like whatever you carrying, you got space for it. And I brought her out today. I had put my little, what? I put my little boo-boo on the side. And like I was ready for the heat today. What? Show you my daughter's hair. I did her hair. What you about to cut? So I did the braids, and she got the little ponytail in the back.
It's like a Fulani curly, but I just put the hair in a ponytail. It can be out and just.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here vlog. I may add it to another vlog because I'm sure it's not enough footage. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here video, please give this video 2 thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be what? Notified each week. Being said, I will talk to y'all later.